Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove wiper blades from a BMW 5 Series F10. So to remove the wiper blades, we have to put the wiper arms in the vertical position, and to do that you have to go in the car to put the wiper blades in the service mode or service position. So first put the wiper blades in the service mode. So to do that you have to go in the car and press on the start button, but don't start the engine, and then press again on the start button to turn the ignition off. Then push the wiper stalk up and hold it for at least 5 seconds to lift the wipers up. There it is. The wipers are in the vertical position. Now we can replace the wiper blades. Then remove the wiper blade from the windshield and then put the wiper blade in the horizontal position. Then remove the wiper blade, pulling it towards you. It's very simple. Then replace the old wiper blade with the new one, put it in the horizontal position, and then place the wiper arm on the windshield. Then get in the car and press on the start button to turn the ignition on, and then push the wiper stalk down to put the wiper blades in the normal position. Then press on the start button to turn the ignition off. If you have any suggestions about BMW new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.